Namaskaram. After a long time, coming online to teach you Lingashtakam today. This Lingashtakam is written by Sri Adi Shankaracharya in the 7th century itself. For a period of time, without delay, I will teach you the Lingashtakam, how to play on the keyboard. So it's a Shivaranjani Raga. I will show you the scale, how to play on the keyboard and the settings, everything. Let me switch on the keyboard. I'm using a CTX 9000 IN Casio keyboard. Settings, I will take a transpose -5. That's G. Let me take -4 is a G sharp. Okay, G sharp which I have kept, and then I'll take the piccolo. So voice I already stored in my bank, so I have choose 4 directly. It was in piccolo. So if you want, you can take the voice like any voice. You can, some sustained voice I'm keeping here. Okay, you can get this piccolo in pipe. Select the pipe here, I mean the tone pipe, and then you type the 7. Okay, since I know the number, I'm typing here. In your keyboard, suppose if you are using Yamaha keyboard, that will be different. Okay, you have to find out the actual numbers. So that's it. So now it's pitch change set to G sharp, that is -4, and then tone set to piccolo, the number is 777. Okay, now this raga Shivaranjani. Shivaranjani is a Kararpriya Janya. Kararpriya scale we know. The Ka and Ni will be the black key. Here today we are talking about the Shivaranjani Ragam. The scale is a Auda Ragam. Audava Ragam. Sada pagarisa. Saringa padasa. Sada pagarisa. Saringa padasa. Sada pagarisa. Okay, this is the Raga Shivaranjani. Sariga padasa, sada pagarisa. So let's see. This is the speciality of this raga is a bhāṣanga ragam, because in this ragam some special foreign notes will appear. So that is the ga 2 as per the arohana and avarohana, but here ga 3 will also appear. Okay, maybe it so there's a 2 ga appears here. Movie songs, Shivaranjani Ragam. Okay, let's talk about this Lingashtakam. Sari ri ga ga ri ga ga ri ga ri sari sa ri ga ri ri. Sari ri ga ga ri ga ga ri. Next finger. Sari ri ga ga ri ga ga ri ga ri sa ri sari sada. Nice low, yeah. Sada sa ri ga ri ri. Okay, sa ri ga pa pa pa. Keep pinky finger. Sa ri ga pa pa pa. Then you shift. Pa da pa ga ri. Pa da pa ga ri. Sa ri ga ri sa da ti sa 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 sa. So you can see that notation in the my description box also. Just have a look. Once again, that first part, brahmamurāri. Sa ri ringa ga ringa ga ringa ri sa ri sa da sa ri ga ri ri sa ri ga pa 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 da pa ga ri sa ri ga ri sa da ri sa 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 sa. Okay. Then second part. Pa 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 da 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 pa pa. Again. Pa 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 da 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 da. See the da? The two da appears here. Pa 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 da 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 da. Okay. Pa 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 da 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 da. Pa 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 da 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 pa pa. Pa 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 da da sa da 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 pa. So you should know when to press this da. Once again, the second part. Pa 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 da 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 pa pa. Pa 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 da da sa da 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 pa pa. Ga ga pa da pa ga pa ga ri ri. Sa ri ga ri sa da ri sa 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 sa. Again, the second part. Pa 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 pa. I'm taking the next finger. Pa 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 da da da. Pa 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 da 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 pa pa. Okay. Pa 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 da da sa da 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 pa pa. Ga ga pa ga pa ga. Ga ga, I'm taking the index. Ga ga pa da pa ga pa ga ri ri. Sa ri ga ri sa da ri sa 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 sa. You have to keep repeating this. Lingashtakam means that's ashtakam. 8 pyara will be there. You have to the first part and second part. First part, second part. First part, second part. Like that. You have to keep repeating. So until that 8 stanza completes. Okay. So please follow the my karaoke also. I am giving the attachment at the end of this video. So I have composed the music for this Lingashtakam. You can use that as a karaoke music. That karaoke music suits only for instrumental. That will be in the D sharp page. Here since I am teaching, I am kept in G sharp, which is helpful for singing also. Okay. Hope this video is helpful for you. So please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Namaskar.